If you want the highest possible FPS on LDPlayer, not just playable but actually smooth, this guide is for you. I'll walk through the exact settings that push frame rates higher and keep gameplay stable in 2026. No fluff, just what works. Let's jump in. Before touching any settings, close heavy background apps. Browsers, launchers, overlays, all of that eats into FPS, especially during gaming, you know. Now open LDPlayer and click the gear icon on the right side to open settings. Go to the Advanced or Performance tab, set CPU cores to 4 if your system allows it. 2 is fine on lower-end PCs, but 4 gives better FPS stability. For RAM, set 6 to 8 gigabytes. Enough headroom matters more than maxing it out. Next, graphics rendering mode. If you have a dedicated GPU, choose DirectX. On integrated graphics, OpenGL can sometimes be smoother. Test both, but restart LDPlayer after switching or the change will not fully apply. Now increase the frame rate limit. Set it to 60, 90, or higher if available, and your PC can handle it. Higher FPS here directly reduces stutter and input delay. For best FPS, lower resolution to 720p or 900p. Set DPI around 240 or 280. Going full HD inside the emulator looks nice, but it costs frames, so yeah, balance is key. Scroll down and turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and extra visual effects. These settings are the biggest FPS killers in LDPlayer, especially in competitive games. Make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. Without it, LDPlayer relies more on raw CPU power, which limits FPS no matter how good your settings are. And that's it. With these changes, LDPlayer should run at much higher FPS and feel consistently smooth. If this helped, save it. And yeah, check out the other LDPlayer optimization guides on the channel. See you next time.